Live your dream. Learning English can significantly improve your life for many good reasons. English is the universal language. It is used in over 100 countries and more than 1 billion websites. English can help you make friends worldwide. 1/5 people in the world can understand English. But most importantly, English enables you to get better jobs. However, there are a lot of people saying, I tried learning English several times, but it didn't work out. Day by day, again and again, they just stop at best. They broke themselves. They use but as an excuse not to conquer English. With successful people, there is a difference between falling and being a failure. Even if things don't work out, they still get up and try again. What about you? Stop making excuses. Don't define yourself. Don't define yourself by your research. Do what you can. Never give up. Life is too short and unpredictable. What are you waiting for? Live your dream.